Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. So in this video we will learn how to integrate Trello and Todoist. So our use case is pretty simple. When a new card is added in Trello, it will automatically create a task in Todoist. Now Trello is an awesome list building application and Todoist is a productivity tool. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from Trello to Todoist. But there is one minor problem. There is actually no integration between Trello and Todoist. So in cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Trello and Todoist. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you on my screen.
Okay, so to begin the process, first type pabbly.com in your browser. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Here hover on products and at the bottom you will find the option called as connect. Okay, here you will find connect. Click on connect and then click on sign in. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have made an account in Pabbly Connect. You can also create your own free account in just 2 minutes. Here I would like to mention one more thing, that Pabbly Connect offers a plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your own account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box. Actually, I would insist that you try this automation with me. It's actually pretty fun. But in case, if you just simply want the workflow of this integration, you can find it available in the description box. Okay, so scroll down. And at the bottom, you will find the option connect again. Here click on access now. Okay, so at the top right corner, you will find a button, create workflow. Click this. A dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm going to give it as Trello to Todoist. Trello to Todoist. Then click on create. So when you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. So in the choose app, let's make it as Trello. Okay, so now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new card? Now new card is basically a trigger event. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger event? Trigger is basically a if statement. It asks a question: if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new card is created, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are more triggers like new board, card moved to the list, new label, and so on. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to make. But at present, I just want to send the data when a new card is made in Trello. Okay, so just click on connect with Trello. Okay, so as you can see in the new credentials, we have 3 blanks to fill: username, API key, and the token. So to get them, just click here. Okay, here you will find in blue. Okay, just click here. Okay, so basically this is your API key. Simply copy this and just paste it here. Now in the username and the token, let's go back and click here. Okay, in the token, just click here. So we have to authorize a token. So before that, let us fill the username. This is my username. Copy this and simply paste it here. Now scroll down and click on allow. Okay, so this is the token we want. Okay, copy this and paste it here. Okay, so all the details has been entered. Just click on save. So when you click on save, we have 2 blanks, board and list. Okay, so for example, in the board, it is showing it as alpha board and the list it is showing as red list. So let us go to Trello and understand this. So basically this is the board, alpha board. How about we change the board as one of these board, yellow board. Okay, I'm going to make it as yellow board and I'm going to change the alpha board to yellow board. Okay, so this is the second board. Actually, I have many boards. Okay, and these are all the boards I have. Okay, so these are all the boards present here. It is being reflected here. So it is asking which board and which list should it connect Pabbly Connect and Trello with. Okay, so for example, I am going to connect yellow board, and in the yellow board I have two lists. Okay, three list: priority, high and low. We have three lists. Okay, so I'm going to connect in, let's say, low list. Okay, so basically the idea is that there is a board called as yellow board. Okay, and in the yellow board we have three lists: priority, high and low, and I'm going to connect this low list. Okay, so just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing it has been connected. This particular list has been connected. So let's click on capture webhook response. Okay, so how about we create a card in this low list? So I'm going to create a card. How about Mission Impossible? Okay, so this is a card I have, and I'm going to click on add card. Okay, so since this card is integrated with this list is integrated with Pabbly Connect will capture the data. So as you can see, the data has been captured. So in the list it is showing it as low, and this is the card name, that is Mission Impossible. Okay, so basically we have got all the data that we need. Now we have to sync this data to Todoist. So to do that, just click on this plus button. So when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. So in the choose app, how about we make it as Todoist? Okay. Now in the action event, how about we create a task? So just click on create a task. Now create a task is an action event. So similarly, just like the trigger events, there are many more action events like create a project, update a project. All of them are bunch of action events. However, in case if you don't find the action event of your choice, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com to custom build an action event for you. But at present, I just want to create a task in Todoist. So just click on connect with Todoist. Okay, so in the new credentials, we have to fill in the token. So your obvious question is where I'm going to get the token. It's actually pretty easy. Let's go to Todoist. Okay, so just go to the profile. Here you will find integrations. Click this. Okay, so this is the integrations page. Scroll down and you will find the token here. This is the API token you want. Copy this and simply paste it here. Okay, so we have entered the token. Just click on save. So when you click on save, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose is very simple. We are going to create a task inside Todoist. So for example, in the content required, it is asking to give a content, to give a name to this content. So I'm going to click on this button to map in the details. So just click this and let's type the name of the card that we have received. Okay, so the name is Mission Impossible. Now, as you can see, we have the project ID. So as you can see, we have a ton of projects. Okay, let me remove this. Okay, so let it load. So these are the projects I have. How about I add an extra project? So the name of the project is Silver. Okay, so this is a top secret project, and I'm going to change the color as salmon. Okay, so the view is like this. Click on add. Okay, so a project called as Silver has been added. So let's go to Pabbly Connect and let me refresh this. Okay, so here you will find the Silver. Okay, so we have a project ID Silver. So I'm going to create a task in this project. Okay, Silver. Now this one human readable representation of the due date, I'm basically going to create for tomorrow. I'm just copying this and simply pasting it here. Okay, so the priority, I'm keeping it as high or okay, very urgent. Okay, just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing that the data has been given to Todoist. So let's go to Todoist. Okay, so as you can see in the Silver ID project, we have a task called as Mission Impossible for due date, that is tomorrow. Excellent. So how about we double check if the integration is working fine or not? So before that, let me show you the whole gist of the process. So I'm minimizing this action window and I'm minimizing this trigger window. Okay, so basically this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Trello to Pabbly Connect, and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Todoist. So now there is a perfect flow of data between Trello and Todoist. Okay, excellent. How about we create one more card? Okay, so these are actually the names of Tom Cruise movies I really love. So one of the movies is Vanilla Sky. Okay, so I'm going to create a card as Vanilla Sky. Then I'm going to click on add. Okay, so a card called as Vanilla Sky has been added in Trello. So let's say in Todoist whether we have a task. Yes, we have a task called as the Vanilla Sky. So our integration is working absolutely fine. This means anytime a card is added in a particular list of Trello that is integrated with Pabbly Connect, a task will be created automatically in Todoist.
Not just these two apps, you can integrate up plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or better, just visit our website www.pabbly.com. It's awesome. Thanks.